Hey, it's Phil with Total Roofing. We're at a project in Alto, Michigan right now. Standard Cape Cod with a dormer. You could see the tarps and the damage here. What actually happened, we had an oak tree plummet the front of the house. So we've already restored the roof, which you can see here, which is a GAF Timberline shingle, pewter gray. So today we've actually started the demolition and the restoration on the siding. So the cool thing about this house, it's over 100 years old. So there's going to be a variety of different products you see. Most importantly, you'll see 2 layers of siding here. So the actual structural wood here, and then you have some cedar lap siding below with kind of a veneer. So this was common about 70, 80 years ago. They did the house wrap, and then in the 80s they put wood fiber backed aluminum right here. So that had hail damage on it. A lot of stuff you couldn't repair. So today we're actually demoing, stripping it, and putting kind of a sheathing base, which we'll see over here. We got some OSB going over the substrate here to get a clean surface for the new product, which is going to be a Provia Cedarmax siding. So next week we'll have some of it up, some of the samples, but this is the substrate. We're going to be removing what we can, and then we're going to be doing the new fascia soffit as well as a handful of windows. So these are an example of the windows you'll see getting replaced. And the windows, we're going to be doing a vinyl window, white on the inside, white on the outside, atrium window. So we'll just keep walking. So after we demo it, you see it there, it's substrate. The next layer is house wrap. So cool thing about us, we partner with our suppliers. You can see the kind of the TRC house wrap. So everyone's on lunch right now, but when we get back, we're going to tape all of our seams. So it creates a complete unified bond as a secondary defense. So if moisture in that gets behind your siding, it'll actually mitigate any water and control it. So this is by Tri-Built along with TRC. So we'll tape all of this. And then let's go on the garage side of the house. I'll show you a few items that cause issues for the homeowners. So this was a key area of concern. The gutter fell during the tornado out here. Strips, hail hit kind of this garage. We're gonna be redoing all this with brand new white fascia. We'll be doing white corners. And then that Cedarmax vinyl siding is gonna be Neptune blue. It's gonna be 7-inch exposure. So it's gonna replicate what originally was up there, just kind of with a modernized feel. So that's gonna guide here. We got some new doors. These are gonna get updated. So we're gonna be switching those out probably sometime tomorrow. Safety-wise for the family, and then actually this is one of the bedrooms. We actually stripped some of the wall here, because through ice dams and that, you can actually see some water damage if we get closer. So we're gonna strip this board, some of that insulation, correct it, and then put that brand new wood over it, and then the house wrap, and then the siding. So, but you can kind of see the blend of age. This is a newer build, the garage side. Double wide garages weren't common when houses were built 100 years ago. So you can see kind of the difference in building techniques as well. So we got some new windows going up, and I'll show you those as well. We still don't know what's under here. Could be a body. We're gonna open this probably tomorrow, just so we're not too freaked out. So we're stripping this entire block of concrete out, prepping this, and then we're gonna actually extend it a couple feet, pour it. And right now the question is if we're gonna do an enclosed porch similar to the neighbors, or kind of a nice modern open concept. But all these windows are gonna get replaced as well. Brand new front door. And then the front dormer is gonna be a Provia shake in the same color of Neptune, which is a dark blue. So that's kind of a walkthrough of this property. This is day 1 of the siding. I anticipate kind of 7 more days of the siding, and then after Memorial Day, we're gonna be getting all this ripped out, re-poured. So it's gonna be a fun 3-week project to kind of bring it actually to today's standards, whether it's building codes and things like that. So that's the Alto, Michigan project. So you guys have any questions, feel free. This all started through an insurance claim. If you're experiencing one, you're welcome to reach out. We could help you in any regards with your claim, or if you have questions regarding siding or products.